fly to the sky high.
Oh, the voice changer was sick. Blah, blah, blah. Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're gonna react to a brand new release by n.SSign. This was done 16 hours ago, the time when this video is been recorded. So we're gonna react to n.SSign Love Potion. So I wanna wish everyone a happy new year when it comes, and if you guys are watching this video after the New Year's, I wanna say a blessed 2025. And even though Christmas is already gone like a couple days ago, you all know Merry Christmas and prosperous 2025. So without further ado, let's hear what n.SSign is doing in this video. Peace. Since I've seen these guys, it's been a while, bro, and it's good to are back. What beautiful music. Hey, and I do love the transition as well. The transitions are so good. Each of these guys, right, transition into a different dimension. It is so neat. Damn, bro. And this is what I love about these guys, right? Whenever time they do music, it's always transcending into a different part of the world, bro. So different, peculiar, I say. Very good, bro. Awesome. And I do like the energy. The dance, it's great. Very great. The moves are sick. And the voices are always such a retaining thing, right? You retain the voice. So when you listen, the voices are very addicted, right? Damn. n.SSign, my bro. When you do talk about beautiful music, let's always have an inclusion of n.SSign. Beautiful music. Beautiful, beautiful music. It leads you to smile. Oh, this song is good. Love Potion, perfect name for the perfect song for the perfect woman, bro. Coming from the G's, bro. Coming from voice changer was sick. Bah! These are actually men, bro. Ain't no way because these voices sound so sweet, man. So, wow, sweet, man. Sweet, sweet. Back up, back up. All looks so neat in the white, man. Damn, damn, bro. Yo, welcome back, my bros. Welcome back. It's been a while, man. It's good to have you. It is just very nice. The music is nice, man. The music is nice. They bring forth nice music. I mean, like, yeah, yeah, wonderful songs. Very good n.SSign. Love Potion. That was a very good music. In fact, that is music we all need, bro. Some beautiful love music. Like, definitely. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next n.SSign reaction. Peace.